And may the peace, the joy, and the embrace of our God be with every one of our friends and intercessors. Welcome to the week of holiness, Christian maturity. This week we're going to talk about evidence of a mature Christian. 7 signs of mature believers. Let's see how many of those signs we have and how many we need to acquire. This is all going to be based on 2 Corinthians 6. It's a fabulous chapter for those who want to be sanctified in their actions, their attitudes, their character. The central theme will be this: a mature Christian not only announces the gospel, but demonstrates it through holy, sincere, and loving living. And recently I heard this phrase that I'm bringing to you because it's like a condensation of the gospel. The gospel is not about self-fulfillment, but about self-denial. Self-denial. I repeat, the gospel is not about self-fulfillment, but about self-denial. So today we talk about the first sign. Mature Christians value God's grace. Yes, 2 Corinthians 6, verse 1. As God's partners, we beg you not to accept this marvelous gift of God's kindness and then ignore it. In other words, do not devaluate the grace that you have received. All the way around it, and the rest of the chapter shows that because we value the grace of God, we want to live according to that. A life of maturity, a life of honesty, a life of integrity. So my dear friends, be prepared, because this week and this chapter can transform our lives. It's not just to listen here in the audios and videos, but rather, if you can read 2 Corinthians 6 at least 10 times in different versions and meditate on each scripture and ask God how to apply it, your life will never be the same. Yes, mature Christians value the grace of God. God bless you. We continue to march on until we embrace the world in prayer.